So Jamaica at the Bodies Podcast. If you never know, make sure say you smash the like, burn up the subscribe. And you don't know if you share the content, bad man. Over here, so right now the thing no normal. Everybody a talk about say a drama. So Jamaica got the lock pan the corner. Yo, virgin. Right now, Jamaica just get slapped wicked with a wicked earthquake, virgin. Wonder if the them take this thing as serious, virgin. You know, say certain places when them things occur, it forward with tsunami tidal wave in a virgin. You see me? That was one of the first things on my mind. I said, judgment. Just hope. We're great island that we love so much. You know, we're waterfront places where we treasure so much. Not get affected by all of this. Because I tell us people, Mother Nature, when it's ready, it really cry. And I tell us when Mother Nature cry, devastation. Yeah, man. People, welcome back to the program. You don't know the things set, you know. We have to turn up the program, you see me? Yeah, man. So now, people, be a war and be a thing a go on in a dance hall other than the earthquake right now. But if you wonder if that's why the earthquake shake up the place, it shake up the people and make them realize that, yo, them have to build, you know. Because a lot of things are going on in Jamaica right now where really need a shake up. So probably that situation now, have to shake up the ground, make the people them realize, say, you hear me? Father still available, you know. You see it? So yeah, man, with that said, people, we should spot the artists them meet up in a foreign and pay a thing a go on, and it has been said, Teejay show a vibes. I say, boys, like say Byron Messia step to the eye. And Teejay, I say, boy, now go stop this and thing, but from South Jamaica still wouldn't like to see it spill out in the street. It's bad enough for it there. And them two artists here right now, them are running place. We have to admit that. And anyone who really wants to see the artists them crash out, I really mean the artists them well. And actually I see a clip float around the place where Teejay perform and Byron Messia actually on stage. So that had me have mixed questions like if they actually squashed the beef. Because that didn't look like they had any problem at that moment. Like he was actually cheering for Up Top Boss. So people drop it in the comment section. Correct me if I'm wrong. But it was a little weird. I never expect that to happen. And if they solve their issues, congratulations to them. Because as I said, we need to hear great music, man. Not bad news about artists. And meet up and not forgetting a problem, especially in a federal buildings and stuff like that. That's not good for any one of them, you know. So it's best for us to be saying at this moment, like, hope them squash it, than be saying freedom or anything like that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. And people who switch part, we have some great news in a dance hall. And big up to all of the Gaza fans them, and as well, enough respect and big up to Addy. Wish you freedom, my general. And right now, may I tell the people, it has been said that they're speeding up the case right now. Because, as they has been saying, his lawyer had some speed saying to his health issues, they have to speed it up, you know what I mean? And right now, people, would I like the best of the artist, so the artist can forward and get him surgery done and get back to him life, you know? And people, never forget, you know, big up on yourself. Thanks to the support. Big up all my subscribers. So Jamaica appreciate each and every one of y'all. Smash the like and I could build a channel here. And I don't know say a phone channel this, you know, people. Yeah. So people, now is this gonna spark off some drama between Mr. Vegas and the Gaza fans. Now, Mr. Vegas had some things he said. Mr. Vegas went as far as said Vybz Kartel is not the king of dancehall, and he will never be the king of dancehall. Now, people, that never sit right with the dancehall audience. Drop on an honest comment. What do you think about that situation right there? Because I know say a lot of people, even though you gotta have some people who actually are gonna run with the Vegas because you have people have them own opinion. But I want to drop full opinion in the comment section. Is Vybz Kartel the king of the dancehall? We need to get this thing finalized. There's so many people saying they are the king, but so far, the world has been saying that this man is the king of the dancehall. And it's always an artist who never approve it. It's never no normal situation where it's just the fan base saying, nah, Kartel is not king. It's always a artist. And you know why I think that happened? I'm not to be biased. Now I will not picking the sides over here. But sometimes artists have ego, and the next artist can't take the glory of another artist. Especially if you be an incarcerated artist. And you have artists where try them best and they're on the street and them not have as much clout. That can actually bring some real pain in some artist's art. It's a thing. But then again, we don't judge over here. We just adjust the situation how it's supposed to be. But people, with all of this situation we are going right now, see, probably the drama over, but they done telling us say, by next week, something I go slap with that Wayne Marshall thing, knock that out. Now we actually see Killer working with Marshall. Big up for that move there. You see, because the real authentic dancehall fans them need some of the authentic vibes there. But the people them a cry for and ask us. So now people, the work is about to be out. Hopefully, when all support Bounty Killer thing. Big up Wayne Marshall. And big up Bling Da. Yeah.